Welcome, my name is Karen G and I'm proudly hosting Cocktail of Fashion and Fundraising presented by Raw Fashion Agency to bring attention to Raw charity. This red carpet high fashion event will be held at the spectacular Hilton Hotel Sydney on the 6th of March and you're all invited. Over the past few years, it has given me enormous joy to give back to those less fortunate, and in particular, children that do not have the opportunities nor facilities to lead a long life. I'm thrilled to be a part of this event to help Raw Charity raise awareness and funds to improve educational outcomes for Rwandan orphans. Joining me today, I have Lily, who is the founder of Raw Charity, and Faith, Director of Raw Fashion Agency. Lily, could I start with you?
Sure.
Maybe you can give some of our listeners a brief summary of Raw Charity and what you hope to achieve over the next 12 months.
12 months. Well, Raw Charity, to begin with, Raw stands for Rwandan Orphans Assistance Response. So when we first established Raw, the idea was to help orphans of genocide, but over the years we came to terms with that we will be helping other kids, disadvantaged children, not just orphans. So we're supporting about 1,268 children that attend a public school in a remote village. We've been doing that for the last 6 years. We bought them shoes, healthcare. We just finished building water tanks to give them access to clean drinking water. And this year, or the next 12 months, we're hoping to continue with the health aspects for the children. We want to buy them shoes. We also want to implement a sanitation program at school,
right,
where kids learn to wash their hands, so we can avoid things like parasites going through their feet, washing their hands after they eat or before they eat, so that they don't get parasite, malaria.
Right.
So that's what we're focusing in the next 12 months.
Sure. Look, there's obviously a lot of planning that's involved with a large event such as the Cocktail of Fashion and Fundraising at the Hilton. What do you hope to achieve on the night other than what you've just told us?
I think what we're hoping to achieve on the night is two things. One is to increase the awareness of the problem these children go through, where is health aspect, where is education, poor education they're getting at the moment, and also to raise enough funds to support the project we are trying to implement.
Right, and that's what I was just about to ask. Could you tell us where the money raised on that particular night will be going to? Is it going to a particular project, or is it going to be spanned out to a few projects?
The money we're raising on the night is going to a particular project,
yes,
which is, we've been supporting a school called Linganwe. So the money we're raising on the night will contribute toward the cost of buying shoes for the children, 1,268 children. And also if there's any money left over, we will be implementing the sanitation program. I was saying, buying a plastic bucket with water, repellent for insect bites like mosquitoes, so we avoid things like malaria for the children.
Sure. And other than actually buying a ticket on the night, how can people get involved? If they can't come on the night, can they go to a website and actually support this particular project or the projects that you're doing?
Absolutely. There's so many ways you can support Raw Charity. If you can't attend on the night, you can make a donation. So we will be going through Moshtik's ticketing company, and they will set up some donation program on their website. So if you can't attend, you still want to donate, you can click on the website and it will give you option to donate money.
Okay.
That's one way to support. The other way to support on the night is also bring more friends. If you can't attend, it doesn't mean you can't invite
That's right.
your colleagues and friends to attend the event.
Right.
We would like people to get involved more by joining our organizing committee. We're always in need of people with particular skills, marketing, ticket sales, or that,
Sure. Excellent. And over to you, Faith. And Faith is the Director of Raw Fashion Agency. And Faith, could you tell us a little bit about Raw Fashion and what your business actually does?
Great. So Raw Fashion is my baby. I feel really, really passionate about it. We started 9 years ago, and we started off as a sales agency representing fashion designers to get their product out into the stores. And then we started doing PR about 7 years ago. And in the meantime, we've done PR, events, photo shoots, a number of things. But I think what really sets us apart is that we're a boutique company, so we're not really aiming to have hundreds of clients. We'd rather have fewer clients, but work with them more in a more integrated way, in a more holistic way. So we really, really understand their business. So we're not just doing a little slice, we're doing so many different aspects for them. We can really, really help them to grow their business.
Sure.
And our track record has been pretty much speaks for itself. We've worked with brands such as Fleurwood, Jason Brunsden, Ginger and Smart, really, really big brands. We've worked with them from the very start and really helped them grow. So we feel very confident that our ability to grow new brands is a real strength of ours.
Sure. Now, how did Raw Fashion Agency get involved with Raw Charity, and how long have you been working together, and what have you accomplished together?
Oh, this is a really good story. I used to be part of another charity event called African Heritage. This was about probably 12 years ago, and I used to do the fashion parade for them as well, and Lily was one of my models and she was one of my favourite models, really easy to work with. And so when I heard that Lily had started her own charity, I was obviously really, really keen to help out. And I think the very first year I couldn't help because I had some work commitments, but since then it's I've been a part of it, and I was really, really honoured when Lily asked me to be part of the planning committee and then to be the secretary of RAW. And I thought it was quite funny that my business RAW, R-A-W, and Lily's charity, R-O-A-W, has the same sound. It's like we had to work together.
Absolutely. Yeah. Absolutely. And what do you hope to bring to this event that we're doing at the Hill Plateau on the 6th of March in terms of the night and what do you hope to achieve on the night?
Okay, for me that's so easy to answer. The one word, glamour. Okay, so Raw Fashion, I think we're really, really good at bringing glamour, fashion, glitz, and that's always done in a very tasteful way and always done very professionally. And I think one thing that stands out with anyone that works with us is that we always deliver, and it's always stress-free and it's always on time. I'm so anal about punctuality and everything running smoothly. Every function we've ever done has always had that theme. So I think we'll bring high fashion, we'll bring some great media and press, great industry contacts, and lots of beautiful, beautiful, beautiful girls.
Oh, that all just sounds so fabulous. Yeah. Look, thanks ladies for your time. I know that Cocktail of Fashion fundraising is going to be an event not to be missed, bringing together fashion, friendships, and most of all, a gift of goodness to the Rwandan orphans. Please join me and us on the 6th of March at the Marble Bar, the Hilton Hotel. Many thanks.
See you there.